Hi, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to another one of Agility Communications tech tips and online training videos. Join me today as I cover the process of setting up voicemail delivery for hunt groups. As always, let's get started by signing in to Avaya IP Office Web Manager. And as you can see, I'm already signed in, so let's take a second to talk about why this is an important feature within IP Office. So let's take a look at the hunt group I've pre-configured for this example by navigating to Call Management and our Group tab. This one's going to be called Customer Service. So let's open up Customer Service by clicking on the Edit button. And let's say a customer service call isn't being answered because Bruce Wayne is out fighting crime, Han Solo is out flying the Millennium Falcon, James is out shaking, not stirring, and John McClane is out crashing a Christmas party somewhere. We can assume that since the call wasn't answered, the customer is going to leave a voicemail. Now that voicemail is going to get delivered to the hunt group, but the problem with that is there will be no voicemail notification for the hunt group members, and they'll never know a voicemail was delivered unless they call in and check manually. In order to check the voicemail, a user will need to dial the hunt group, put in the password for the hunt group, and check the voicemail box manually. This is where voicemail distribution and source numbers comes into play. We're going to set up delivery codes so that the users in the hunt group will get voicemails delivered to their phones, and they'll also receive a delivery notification on their phone as well. To do this, let's take a look at the extensions that are in the hunt group, and let's also take note of the hunt group's extension. So we can see all the extensions of the users in the hunt group, and let's take into account that the customer service hunt group has the extension of 4000. Now Bruce Wayne is a hunt group member, so let's start with him. But keep in mind this doesn't need to be set up in any particular order. So Bruce Wayne's extension is 1232. So I'm going to navigate up to Call Management, go to Users, and search for Bruce Wayne's extension at 1232. I'm going to click on the Edit or the pencil icon here. And let's navigate to the Source Numbers tab on the left side. Once in the Source Numbers menu, we can see that there is by default a source number for the user's voicemail, and we can see that designated by the V1232 source code. V standing for voicemail or personal voicemail of the extension 1232. To have Bruce receive the hunt group voicemails, we're going to add a source number starting with H for hunt group. Add a source number by selecting the Add button in the top right corner of the screen. Our source number in this case will be H for hunt group and the extension for the hunt group, which, if you remember, is extension 4000. So altogether, our source number will be H4000. And we're going to click the Create button. Now let's make that permanent by selecting the Update key in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Once that has been updated, Bruce will now receive voicemails directly to his phone and receive the red voicemail notification light, so he no longer has to call into the hunt group to manually check the voicemail box. Now, this process can be repeated with any of your users. And update. And keep in mind that if a user is part of multiple hunt groups, they can have multiple source numbers for every group and receive voicemails for each group assigned to them. Thank you for watching Agility Communications tech tips and online training videos. Remember, you can watch this video and so many others like it at Agility Communications' dedicated training site online at AgilityCG/training.